Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya kala Pynksannya ka an thamai Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin VBG Ramji Act 2025 dakabakot yakakum ka senjam ka bansa khana hakaban wanra ka jingkala ka bakraw hakaliang ka kamay ka ji hapadeng kinongshong shnong hakithai nongkyndong ka Meghalaya. Habakran Shakilat Thai Kubor u General Secretary ke BJP Meghalaya uba wankit bok poshna ulo ong bakanikaan kap nang penjur shushu e kilat yu akam nakabenta kinong bala nakashispa sngi shakashispa arpasan sngi nakabenta ka way pakaway kalong ying nakabenta shisnam kapapen sting ya kajingdan kam bala nang kiyo jeng kilong ying hakithan nong kendong ula benram kajing shisha kalong bakanikaan ka ay shushu kalat ka kabu nakabenta kilong ying hakithan nong kendong ki jongi dakaban nang kenti wiki sngi banyo kam shimladan ka jingkinit no ya ka hok jong kinong shong shnong Henry penban lanang pen klan shu eki ula kentai ru ya ka jingkam jong kalyang persya kongres bakani ka an kan penduk no ya ka jingyo kam jong ki beriu hakithan nong kendong lani ban pentlot ya ka jing tray jong ki gram seva dakaba ong ka ei ka bakala ka de ka thong ka bayo I jingai hakajaka jong ki jingaram pasipor ngila ban shnai ki jingte ki bane kum ki surong ki nalapan poi ki skul ki jingte ha ki shnong ki thau ki ban kenti we ki shnong ki thau pateng la pateng u ba poshna ulapun pauru ya ki sautali ki jinglong bala patai shai jong ka an ka jing shngan ha ka liang ka ki jingte bakong san ha ki thain nong kendong ka jingla banya khun persha ya ka jinglong jingman na ka jingkala ha ka sun beneng ki jingpen kre na ki jingja sha penjulor na ki bor maryang bat ban pentik na ba ki jingtri kam kilong ki banne slam ka an ka pentik na ya ka jingsiu bai nong ha ka por ka babiang batling ba ki core digital khnang bakan omdan ka jingle thong banten rong ya ka jingit khli bat ban ra ya ka jingtri kam ka bakhoi ba shai ula ong ka BJP kala kan thot ting e ya ka congress halor ka jingpen sap reng ya ka khobor bam shisha bat ki bam dan nongrim bat ki batmu ban khangla ya ka jingya shaprang da ka bapun pau ba ka an ka ai ka jinga dai ki dor bar shnong bat wan ra jingkala ha kam sen shar khadar
regarding the misinformation that is being spread out on the newly introduced Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 2025, which literally translate for Guarantee for Jobs and Livelihoods Mission. So we can hear that there's a claim that this will snatch away rural employment, which is totally false, which is nothing but a lie to mislead. The truth is that the Act expands opportunities for our rural households by increasing the guaranteed employment not just only 100 days, but now to 125 days. So, if you look at this, no rights is being taken away. In fact, on the contrary, they are being strengthened. So, under the Viksit Bharat Gramji, every household will continue to enjoy the legal guarantee of work and unemployment allowance if work is not provided. What changes is the vision. Instead of a temporary relief, every day of labor now builds durable assets, roads, irrigation canals, schools, and even community infrastructure that will uplift the village for generations. So we can say that this will not only be an employment guarantee but also an empowerment to our rural folks. So another point that the opposition is trying to mislead is that the gram sabhas are being weakened. In reality, that is not true. They remain central to planning and oversight, while new transparency measures, which will ensure wages reaches workers without any leakages. It's going to be a complete digitized system, and in fact, the 90 and 10% sharing for state, center and state partnership in case of Meghalaya, it ensures accountability and higher returns on investment. And in fact, so we can see that Viksit Bharat Gramji is not about reducing rural employment, it is also about strengthening livelihood, security, modernizing rural development, and ensuring dignity of work. So we can say that this act basically, the newly introduced act, is a step towards a Viksit Bharat, where rural India thrives with both employment and development. So the claim that this scheme is politically motivated and distortions is far from the truth. We want the people of the state to know the truth that Viksit Bharat Gramji Bill is a stronger, fairer, and more visionary guarantee for our villagers and rural folks.